Labor Day isn't just a day off from work or an unofficial end to summer. It's a day that honors the spirit of unity, perseverance, and solidarity among workers who bravely stood and fought for their rights. Our story begins in the late 1800s, when labor activists and states began recognizing the need for a day to honor laborers. New York led the charge by being the first to introduce a bill, but it was Oregon that won the honor of being the first state to officially recognize Labor Day on February 21, 1887. In the same year, Colorado, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York followed suit. By the end of the decade, even more states had gotten on board. The momentum was unstoppable, and by 1894, Congress passed an act making Labor Day a national holiday, celebrated on the first Monday of September every year. The workers did not just want a day off. They demanded respect, fair wages, and better working conditions, which led to the birth of this national holiday. It remains unclear who really conceived the idea of Labor Day, but many credit Peter J. McGuire, General Secretary of the Brotherhood of Carpenters and Joiners, as one of the likely founders. This Labor Day, let's remember and celebrate the spirit of solidarity that led to decades of labor rights progress.